Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a little video to show you how you can zoom in your slide so it's bigger in order for you to read it better if there's small font on some of the slides. So I'm going to go down to the reading paper, for example, on slide 9. Up here where my arrow is, you'll see a little magnifying glass with a plus sign in the middle. If you click that little arrow, you can click on it and you can click on 100% and it will zoom it in. So normally it's set at the fit or the 50%. So this is what it normally looks like. But if you can't see it, you can zoom into the 100%. Then when you're on that slide, when you're on this e-learning for the day, all of the other slides will look like that. Then you can scroll through and you can better see. So for example, the math sometimes is really small. You can see it a lot better and you just have to scroll through the whole slide. I hope that helps.